Okay. Today, because of time limit, and we need, and there are the plenty information we want to share with you. So, maybe in the software capability, because this is a very important and the key of the softwares. So I will spend more time on this part, and there are also a lot of improvements of our studio and usability improvement. I may quickly go through these items very as soon as possible, and then when we back to measure preparation and also the molding new enhancements in molding innovation.